Hi, I'm Nora. In this video, I will show you how to register on Pocket Option, verify your account and set everything up correctly before trading. These steps are important if you want to avoid the problems later. Let's start with the registration. You can sign up using your email or social account. I recommend using in email so you have full control over your account. Choose a strong password and make sure your details are correct. After registration, you will enter your account dashboard. This is where you manage your profile, balance and settings. Before trading, it's important to check your account information and preferences. Verification is required to protect your account and allow withdrawals. You will need to confirm your identity and basic personal information. This process is standard and usually takes some time to review. Make sure your document is valid and clear. Now let's look on payment methods. Choose a method that's convenient for you and supported in your region. Don't rush with large amounts. At the beginning, the goal is set up account properly. Before trading, adjust basic settings. Check your currency, time zone and notification. Small details matter. Correct settings help you avoid the confusion later. Security is often ignored by beginners. Enable all available security options to protect your account. This includes password protection and additional confirmation steps. Before you place your first trade, check everything once more. Account verified, balance ready, and settings correct. Trading should start calmly and with small steps. Now your account is ready. In next video, I will show you how to set up the trading platform and prepare for your first trade. Take your time and stay focused. See you later!